Greetings to all of you. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one more disaster caused by the nuclear power plants, which is Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. So, what is this nuclear plant? Where is its present, and what are the causes, accidental and consequences? All we are going to learn about this. This is something called as case study. You can search any other website also, you come to know about this one. So as I have already explained you regarding nuclear power plant, which consists of that all those reactors, turbines, coolants, water and generation of electricity and all those things which commonly happens for every reactor, either to undergo the nuclear fission or fusion type of reactions. This is the world's largest power plant, right? It is present in Japan. Already you know that after Second World War, because of that disaster at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, people are going to suffer seriously. Till date, there are many, you can say, handicapped people or bone disorder. So some type of disorder, diseases only people are going to born there. So such a generations together it is going to be affected. So this is the picture of this Fukushima, which is present in Japan. What are the causes? Usually in Japan, means everybody knows, more percentage of earthquakes. Obviously in the Richter scale it comes around 9, means it's a highly disastrous. The tsunami also has led to shut down 3 active reactors. So why this means? Because of this earthquake and afterwards this tsunamis in 2011 only. So what happened? Hydrogen explosion was happened. So as a result, ultimately the internal pressure has led to explosion into unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, like that. The reactors numbers will be there and finally explosion has taken place. So there was an explosion in unit 4 fuel storage. After that the fire has started. So it not stop at unit 3, 1, 2, 3 again 4, where it is storage of fuel and the fire was started. So unit 1 to 3, only 50% of the core was under threat and from melting. So what happened immediately? Through helicopters they started this water coolant pipes and all those things, transported water and through unit 4. So cooling unit 3 with water cannons provided by policy and fire department, and 3 is considered cooling enough. So almost at around 15.55 light grey smoke is observed from the south part of the 5th floor of unit. It means such a huge disaster. So that much smoke means you cannot imagine. Almost the whole sky is seen to be very much dark enough. So this is the situation. Nowadays also we are wearing this type of situation because of this COVID. So disasters usually happen, but as a part of prevention and precautionary measurements, always we must be awake and we must be very much known about all these things. So because of this, many health problems were occurred. So it affected social life, became homeless. Most of the millions they have evacuated, and financial losses, usually approximately of 150 billion euros. So such a great economic loss was happened. And the effects of environment. See how nice it's greenery, the roads everywhere, how nice it is before the disaster, and this is the same thing after the disaster. See how the land, the greenery land became almost like, you can say, like a forest land. So ethical assessment, right? So how we are supposed to assess this one? So cost benefit analysis, virtue ethics, duty ethics, utilitarianism. So this is the analysis after the disaster. So after the natural disaster, rate of pollution has been increased to greater extent. Accidents happen, harms of leakage are kept in low levels. Authorities cannot stop the spread of leakage. Deadly illnesses occurred. Too many disadvantages, right? So as a result of accident, a lot of diseases occur, but it does not create permanent damage on living things. So they take action immediately after the release leakage of prevented the increase of pollution. So in our event, authorities did not take precaution. They did not act rapidly. The accident did not create any permanent damage on human because found mutated animals pollution in the environment has been increased. Right? So this is nothing but simply a case study of nuclear disaster which was happening in the recent years. Of course, but the pity situation is that Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb blast has happened in Japan only. So this Fukushima, which was happened in 2011, again in Japan. Right? So even though generations may not affect, but for the time being, the existing people they have to get evacuated from that